Man, it's been a minute since we did a YouTube video. What's up, everybody? Kevin Spengler here. We got the 16 Turbo behind us. We finished up the bumpers, the doors on it, and it's getting ready to go out the door here soon. But yeah, let's figure we'd show you guys what we did on it. So let's take a look. All right, checking out the front here. We got the light bar back in it right here. It's tied into the cage. Since the cage was already powder coated, we went with the OD clamps on here so you can see it. Has a nice little stick out there, protect the front end and stuff. Down below we got a bash plate down here to protect, trying to help protect the front end and stuff, since it will be getting used in the IXCR race series. Checking out the doors, they're the exact same thing, a few changes on there and stuff. Open and shut basically like how the stock ones are and stuff. You just pull up the lever and it comes open. We've done really good on these doors and stuff. Sold quite a few of them. The rock sliders on here, they've been working well for them and stuff. Come back to the rear bumper here. All right, here on the rear bumper, we got it tied into the frame down here below and stuff, and then with the Super ATV high clearance arms, a lot of the bumpers won't fit where we normally put them. Plus with the RT Pro center plate there, or radius rod plate. So we basically all we did is just tie into the radius rod plate with some bolts, and then came off of there. One of the things that you can't see on here, with the tires on here, they actually have tire splines in it now. One of the guys here locally now owns tire splines. And so they picked it up and they put the run flat tire splines in it. I don't know exactly how to describe them, but it's basically foam that goes inside the wheel. And if you get a puncture, hole, whatever, lose air pressure for whatever reason inside you, or lose air pressure and anything for your tire, that foam basically keeps your tire inflated, or acts as it's inflated, I guess. Maybe one day we'll get a better shot at these and stuff. But anyways. You can run on zero air pressure. I don't know how long it's good for or whatever, but it's basically a foam insert that goes in there. A little bit of a pain to get in there. I haven't done it myself yet, but watching other people do it, they're kind of tricky and stuff, and takes a lot of manipulation to get it in there. But they work great and stuff. Racers love them and stuff. So I know a lot of guys run them in the cross-country racing series and stuff out in the woods and stuff. You never know when you're going to cut a tire, which I've done several times. But yeah, they also work great for trail riders too and stuff. If you're worried about puncturing tires or getting a flat out on the trail and stuff, don't want to run a spare. But yeah, I'm going to close it out here. Quick one today. We've had quite a few people subscribe here lately. Thanks a lot for that. Consider subscribing too if you're not already. But we'll see you on the next one. Peace.